In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Shakespeare's Life and Work course on Harvard Online, and how you can get officially Harvard certified after completing it. This is an amazing opportunity if you're interested in literature, English studies, or simply want a prestigious certificate from Harvard on your resume. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so even if you've never taken an online course before, you'll be able to follow along easily. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Harvard Online website by visiting harvardonline.harvard.edu/course. This is Harvard's official platform for online courses, so you can be confident that everything here is legitimate and recognized. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of available courses, along with a search bar. Go ahead and click on the search bar and type in Shakespeare's Life and Work. As you type, the course should appear in the search results. Click on the course title to open the full course page. On this page, you'll be able to see detailed information about the course, including what you'll learn, the course structure, the instructors, and the duration. Take a moment to read through this information so you understand what the course covers and what's expected from you. When you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button and click on it. You'll now be asked to either sign in or create an account using your email address. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, fill in your basic details to create one. After that, you'll be guided through the enrollment process, where you'll need to provide your personal information and complete the payment. Make sure all your details are correct before proceeding. Once the payment is successful, you'll officially be enrolled in the Shakespeare's Life and Work course. From here, you can start the course, watch the lectures, complete the readings, and finish any required assignments at your own pace. As you progress through the course and successfully complete all the requirements, you'll become eligible for a Harvard-certified credential. After finishing the course, you'll receive your official Harvard certificate, which you can add to your resume, LinkedIn profile, or academic portfolio to showcase your achievement. And that's it. You've now learned how to access the Shakespeare's Life and Work course on Harvard Online, and how to get Harvard certified. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more educational and career-focused tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.